Hello guys, in our today's video, we're going to be looking at how to file annual returns for a limited liability company. Now, this has been one of the challenges that most people have been facing when it comes to getting their annual return filed to the Corporate Affairs Commission. Now, it is expected by the provision of the Company and Allied Matters Act 2020 that every registered entity in Nigeria, whether it is a business name, company, or an incorporated trustee, you are expected to file your annual returns on yearly basis in order to keep your registration status active. So failure to do so, the commission have the right to delist your company or your business from the corporate registry. So please and please you need to take note of that. And again, if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you will get updated whenever I publish great content like this in the future. So today we're going to be looking at how to file annual return for a private limited liability company. Now, the first thing you need to do is you have to log into your post incorporation portal. That is, if you are an accredited agent. But just in case you are not an agent and you want to file your returns for your company or for your business or for your incorporated trustee, then you can always reach out to me so that I can assist you with that. I've logged into my dashboard. Then let me start from the beginning. Go to dashboard. Now the first thing is for you to log into your dashboard, then search for your company or for the company that you want to file for. So I will use the RC number, then scroll down to the search results, click on proceed to dashboard. Then you will now be directed to the section. You'll be directed to the section. Good, then you select annual returns here from the service list. Select annual returns, then click on start annual returns component filing. Requirement: duly completed annual returns form. Please fill out the form on the next page. So we are filing for 2024. I will click on submit. So it's loading the online form. Good. So this is the online form. We start with the first one, which is the company details. Under the company details, we already have the information regarding the company here. Now, date of company registration is stated already. Date of annual general meeting usually should be 14 days when the account has been made up or published or prepared. So we say 7th, right? I will say 7th being today. Now, classification code. This particular company is into event management, baking of pastries and the rest. So I'll look for the category that suits this, that suits the nature of the business. So select bakery services, accommodation and food services. Then I select bakery services. So that is the nature of the business of the company. Now I'll scroll down to where you will see the principal activity description. I'll go to the status report. All it does have to do is for me to copy this, go back to the web page, the form, and paste it. It's a small company. Date of resolution, I will select today being 7th as date of resolution. Now the date of resolution represents the day in which the company passed a resolution for them to file their annual return. So usually it should be within 14 days after the financial year. So I have done that correctly. Prescribed particulars of rights attached to shares, particulars of indebtedness, skip that for now. Now, statement of capital details, class of shares. There are two classes of shares here. There is preferential shares and there is equity shares. So usually for my client, for this particular client is equity. Her shares is equity. So equity shares. Particulars of indebtedness, zero. Now, particulars of turnover and net assets applicable to small companies where financial statement is not required. Now, the total turnover represents revenue, it represents sales for the year. That simply means CSE would like to know what is your total sales from year one, from 1st of January 2024 to 31st December 2024. So for this company, they have not started operation yet, so we use zero. Total value of net asset. Now, the net asset represents shareholders' funds in the business. So after excluding all liabilities, all money owed by the company to their debt provider. So whatever that is left is known as the net asset, which is the shareholders' funds. Now I'll use shareholders' funds is 1 million naira. 1 million naira. 1 2 3. It still remain the same. 1 million naira. Okay, that is all about the company address. Now click on continue. Under authentication, full name of the company, affiliate and designation. Let's get the name of the director of this company. Managing director. Good. Scroll down to this. Click on save and continue. Well, they say company must have at least one secretary to continue. Okay, so let me add a secretary to this. So guys, we have successfully added the secretary. So let's save and continue and see how it goes. Good. We have now been directed to the second step, which is PXC, that stands for persons with significant control details. Let's see, personal control. We will need to add persons with significant control. Add PC. Let's see, correct. We have successfully added the person with significant control details. So click on save and continue. You will now be directed to the preview stage where you have to go through the information that you have provided. So we are good with it, then proceed to payment. We're trying to make payment, so click on remitter so we can make payment. So after making payment, please always wait for a while for the system to recognize the payment. It's very, very important. You don't need to go out from this page. If you do that, the system may not recognize your payment. So I've waited for a while and it has confirmed payment, and payment made was successful. Now we are to go to the financial statement. We're expected to upload the financial statement. So to click on upload document, submit, then click on confirm. So guys, we have successfully submitted the application after uploading the financial statement as provided by the client. Now the next thing is for us to wait for CAC, which is Corporate Affairs Commission, to go through the document and approve our annual filing for the year 2024. So just in case you have not filed your company annual return, or if you have not filed your your business or incorporated trustee annual return for some years, and you can always reach out to us. Our contact is provided at the description of this video. Thank you and remain blessed. I'm Chris. I am Pro Digital.